Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Alright you guys, so in today's video we're gonna be reviewing, as you've seen on the thumbnail, I will be reviewing some Gucci products. So I really never knew that Gucci had makeup. I know, right? For a person to be so into makeup and doing makeup tutorials for almost 2 years now, doesn't know that Gucci had makeup. So yeah, I didn't know that Gucci had makeup. I feel like I need to get more into like finding what new products are out there. Well, I know they're not new, but like, you know, I feel like for myself, I feel like I should be more out there to see what kind of products I can review, you know, products I really never used before. I'm always sticking to the same thing as always, so I do really do need to change that for a bit. But yeah you guys, so in today's video we'll be reviewing 2 Gucci products. I actually didn't buy this. My boyfriend decided to buy it for me. He told me like out of nowhere, so I got you some Gucci. Okay, so like I was saying, my boyfriend got me some products from Gucci, 2 products from Gucci. He wanted me to try them out and he thought it would be good for my channel to review it. So yeah you guys, so that's in today's video. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be reviewing 2 Gucci products. Now if you want to know what products it is, continue on watching. So we are about to freaking open a Gucci bag. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And the 2 products, you know, a big bag for 2 small products. Okay. Okay, so these are the 2 products right here. So the first one is the Gucci mascara, and this is a Gucci multi-use gel gloss for your face. It's yeah, it's a face gloss. So you put this on before primer and foundation or whatever. I really don't know what it's supposed to do to your face. I'm telling you, my boyfriend bought it for me, but I'm really excited to use these 2 items because I never really like used really like, you know, high class brand products. I'm really excited to use the mascara, you know. So in today, like, okay, so I did my eyebrows and I did put a little bit of eyeshadow, like a little brown eyeshadow, as you can see, because I'm not going to be doing like a whole glam look because this is really focused on these 2 products. So I'm really not going to do anything like in your face. I will be applying like foundation and stuff and then finishing the rest of my face. I will not be applying lashes because this is about the mascara. So let's see what good this mascara can do. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and the package, it's really cute. Now I have to see the inside of it. This is no cap, this is freaking cute. That is cute. I love that. The packaging is really pretty. Ooh, I love that. That is so cute. It's not too heavy. You guys, this is really cute. This is something I would love to carry around me, like, Gucci, I'm freaking dead. Oh my god. Alright, and the next one is that a face gloss. He did tell me something about the mascara being $35. I'm not sure how much this little small thing is, but this is how it looks like. Really freaking small. Oh god. And that is the inside. It's like a clear gloss. Yeah you guys, this is really tremendously small. But anyways, but you know, it's all depending on how good this shit is. So I really do want to go ahead and try the mascara. So the mascara, like I said, first impressions, the little packaging and everything is really cute. I really love this color right here. It's a nice little pink, little light pink. You'll see that, right? that is one small brush. I don't know about you guys, but I like the big brushes, you know? I like the big brushes because it really gives you like a really nice volume on your lashes when you, like, if you're a person that doesn't have lashes, you know, those brushes, the little fatter brushes, give you more like of an intense volume. But the small ones are not like really working out for me. But I can't say anything because I don't know how good this mascara is until I try it. But I really prefer a big, like a bigger brush, a little fatter brush to get into those lashes, you know, get really in there to apply a nice coat of mascara and, you know, just give you that enough volume. But we're gonna go ahead and try it. Yo, let me shut up. Wow. I don't know if you can see the difference. There and there. Honey, let me shut my mouth about the small brushes. Yo, this is... Y'all see that, right? Okay, Gucci. Wow, that's really... Yeah, I like that. I like that very much. I like that. I will, you know what? I'll take back what I said. You know, excuse me. I take back what I said. You know, well, not really, because it's all depending on the product. You know what I'm saying? It's all depending on what's inside the product, you know? Some brushes, like big fat brushes, they do really help a lot. Some small brushes really don't, but it's all depending on the formula and everything, you know. And a small brush like that on a different product really never helps my lashes to, like, you know, really have a nice volume into it. So I'm really surprised with this. Let me go ahead and finish this. And the good thing is that you could also use this brush for your lower lashes, which I think is pretty cool. Imagine how these are. Well, I normally have like long lashes, but like imagine the bottom lashes. Ooh, honey. You guys, this is insane. Hi. I see you. Okay. That really left a nice volume of my lashes. Yep, that left a nice little volume. Voila, that's really nice. Okay, that is a big thumbs up in my book for the Gucci mascara. If you're willing to pay $35 for this thing, then go ahead, by all means. I liked it a lot. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the face. So we're gonna go ahead and try this Gucci product. This is a, like I said, a multi-gel gloss. It's for your face. We're gonna go ahead and try it. Doesn't really have like a smell to it. Swear to God, like my face better be looking like a freaking glazed donut after this. Okay, I see the little shininess. I see the gloss. Oh shit! I look like a glazed donut. Oh my goodness. Wow, this really left it like really freaking, you know, it really gave it a nice little gloss to it, to my face. It feels really nice, soft, leaves your face really soft, you know. Wow, I feel like more alive. I feel like if I walked up to someone, they're gonna be like, why is your face so wet? Why is your face so oily? No, baby, it's gloss on my face. It's Gucci gloss. Get it together. Okay, so let me go ahead and add some foundation to go ahead and finish this out. Because so far, these products were really good, honestly. For a person that really, like, didn't know about Gucci having beauty products. It's really nice. Like, it's good. Honestly, I really love that mascara. I'm a person that really doesn't like to wear too much mascara because my mascara, like, every time I wear mascara and I wipe it off, my lashes, like, some of my like hairs from lashes like want to come off, and I really do hate that. So that's why I stick to like just freaking lashes, because, you know, it doesn't tear off my freaking lash hair. So, but will I be using this again? Most likely when I go out, or when I don't want to wear like really like dramatic lashes, I go pop on some of this mascara and it will give me the nice volume of lash hair that that I want. So yeah, so you can apply a little or whatever, but I decided to go decided to add more and more because I really do like long lashes. But that's how I do it. I don't know about you guys. You might not like it. You could always apply like one little freaking swap or one freaking swipe of that mascara, and I'm pretty sure your lashes will be like, damn chick. So far when I'm applying the foundation and concealer, my freaking face still does look a little glossy, and I'm pretty sure that's what it's supposed to do. It makes it look like, you know, natural, like it's your like real skin. It makes it look really, really nice and shiny, and that is really cool about this product. It's really nice. If you guys are really interested in this product, I will be adding the link below if y'all want to go ahead and go check it out to see the prices and what it really does, and you know what else it can help with. You know, I will leave it below the description box if you guys would like to go look at it. So I'm not going anywhere yet. I still have to apply some to my lower lashes. But still adding that on with the setting powder, you still get a nice little shine, and that is amazing, girls. I'm telling you, honey, that is some good shit right there. That is some good shit. I'd holler at it for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of bronzer. Y'all still see that shine on there? I think that's pretty cool about it. Really cool. Go ahead and I love that. I love that little shine thingy. Oh my god, I love it because it makes your face look really nice. You still have that glow on your face, and that's what makes it really, really nice. So I'm gonna go back into the Ultimate Urban Decay Naked Ultimate bases. This is what I use for the shadow on top, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of that brown shadow to the bottom of my eye. So we could go ahead and add some mascara to the lower lashes. That gave it some nice volume to the lower lashes. I don't know if you guys can see it. But that gave a nice volume to the little lashes. Oh crap. But anyways, gonna add a little bit of blush. And some lip gloss, which I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk Gloss Balm. And some setting spray. You guys, okay, so this is the final look on these two amazing products. As you can see a little bit, you still have that nice little gloss on your face, and this is not highlight, you guys, because I didn't even put a highlight on. I totally forgot to put a highlight on, but it gives you a nice little glow, and that is some good shit right there. And the mascara, what more can I say? That is really nice shit right there, because honestly, this might be better than the Better Than Sex mascara. I don't know, that's my opinion. If you guys haven't tried the Gucci mascara, go for it. You know, if you want to try it, I suggest that you do, especially for those people that have like little, like, you know, the lash layer. For those of you who have like little small lashes, don't have like, you know, your lashes are not seen, I think this would be a great product for you guys, for it to show it a little more. As you can see, hello, I do have long lashes, that's why mine look like this, but maybe if I would have had, it would still be the length. It'd probably still be the length like I have them right now. So this is a really good product. Both of these are really good product. I'm really excited. I'm really happy that my boyfriend got me these to review, because you know, I never ever thought that Gucci, like I said, never thought that Gucci had makeup products, but I'm really excited that they do. You know, maybe in the future I will go back and, you know, review more of their makeup if they have more stuff on their website, not just mascara and this gloss gel gloss for your face. But like I said, I was really excited to use this product, and you know, and it turned out really nice. I really do like them a lot. So you guys, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. So if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this review, if you enjoy the makeup look, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't new to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.